Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to green screen in about 2 minutes at the most. Let's get going. I've got some footage here of a lady in front of a green screen. I will note right up front here that it is very well lit, so there's no real dark and bright and splotchy parts. Secondly, I'm just going to reduce the size of the clip just because I'm just teaching you the technique and I don't want to run too much through the CPU, so it'll slow it down. So here we go. We've got this lady making weird gestures in front of a green screen. The first step, you want to go to your effects panel. If you don't see your effects panel, go to Window and make sure there's a check mark beside Effects. On the effects panel, type in Ultra. When you type in Ultra, you're going to see something called Ultra Key. This is what you want. Video Effects Keying Ultra Key. Drag and drop Ultra Key onto the top of your video. And here we go. On the left side now, you're going to see the Effect Controls panel. And when we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see Ultra Key selected. You now want to go to Key Color and left click on the little eyedropper, drag and drop that, and select a green color. You'll notice that the green color is now beside Key Color. Left click on that. Now we've removed the background, we've removed the green screen, and to go a little bit further, you can go ahead and increase this. So if you don't get all you want, you can increase your pedestal if you've still got some green left over. That's usually the one you want to adjust first. Secondly, you may want to adjust the highlight after that, although this looks pretty darn good. And now I'm just going to quickly screen through the video, and all of the green screen is gone. The last step, and this is the critical one, is you want to go to File, Export, Media. But here it is, guys. You want to export the alpha channel in almost all instances, because that way you won't have a background, you'll have a transparent background. So change 8264 from your format. I would go down and select QuickTime. QuickTime works quite well. And then in particular, change your preset to Apple ProRes 444 XQ with alpha, or you can go with GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha. This way you capture the alpha channel. There are a few other presets, but these ones are very good. Left click on export, and that's it, guys. You've got some great green screen. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with some more tutorials soon.